Hello and welcome back to Baby We Eat. So today we are making sweet potato biscuits. These are not your grandma biscuits. They are buttery and they are soft. So for my ingredients, I use Biscuit bacon mix, club soda, sour cream, and sweet potato, and butter, and sugar. Those are our ingredients. Here, we are going to add our sugar to our biscuit mix, and we're going to stir that around. Here we are adding in our sour cream. Now we're going to add our sweet potato puree. And we're going to mix that well. And then here we are adding in our club soda. So we're going to mix that. You want to mix it until you form a ball. We are forming a ball, and we're going to continue to fold in our mixture. And you don't want to over knead your biscuits. Then you come up with a hard biscuit. So you want your dough to be kind of sticky, but not too sticky. And then we're going to dump it on the table. Now we're going to mix that together. We're going to make sure our flour is incorporated good. So I'm just folding in my biscuits a couple of times to make sure that my flour is incorporated well. So here we are patting out our biscuits, and then we're going to use our biscuit cutter to cut out our biscuits. The dough is nice and fluffy and soft. Here I am adding the biscuits to my buttered pan. Here are our biscuits and our butter. Our sweet potato biscuits. We baked those in our oven at 400 degrees until they were brown. Here I'm adding butter on the top, and they smell delicious, guys. And here are our sweet potato biscuits. I told you, they're not your grandma's sweet potato biscuits. They are fluffy and buttery and good. We have made sweet potato biscuits. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.